Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, June 19 to 21, 2023. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, and Avenue Plaza Hotel. I hope all of you is in good shape to start this week. And here's now the latest GovSat for today, Monday until tomorrow, Tuesday. We don't have any major weather system except for the Monsoon Trough, converging of the northeasterly and southwesterly winds. As you can see, there are winds right here below Mindanao is starting to blow from the southwest and west. So we have here the Monsoon Trough. So there will be some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms over Mindanao and Palawan because of this monsoon trough, and also some localized rain showers and thunderstorms will also be expected in the afternoon or evening in various sections of Luzon and Visayas. The chance of flooding is currently at low risk, and there are no developing LPAs as of this time. So far, that's the latest. Here's the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. And you can clearly see here the development of these thunderstorms. And if we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation, you can clearly see here increasing thunderstorms in the vicinity of Mindanao because of the monsoon trough and also over Palawan. While here is more of a local convection and also affecting some portions of Luzon, including Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Mindoro, western sections of northern and central Luzon. That's the usual afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. Now, if we take a look at the latest wind forecast for the next 3 days, by tomorrow afternoon, we still have here the monsoon trough and not yet developing low pressure here, so it's not yet ripe enough to become an LPA. But there is some westerly winds up to the south of Mindanao, which is generating some monsoon trough here. Variable winds will be expected all throughout the country except for westerly winds over areas of Batanes, Babuyan, and Group. And on Wednesday afternoon, we expect same wind conditions, nothing changes. And on Thursday afternoon, it's still the same. Monsoon trough is starting to migrate more to the north, and it's already affecting probably Visayas and Palawan. So you can clearly see here the converging of this cloudiness. And as for the possible low pressure system this coming weekend, Friday, June 23, Saturday, June 24, and Sunday, June 25, there you go. The LPA is expected to cross Bicol region and into Luzon this coming weekend. It's not yet sure if it will become a tropical depression, but we are going to observe that. Now, if we take a look at the American model, it doesn't show yet, but it's also forecasting a low pressure area to the east of Samar, but the European model is much ahead of the pack, so we are going to observe that in the coming days. As of this time, it's still low in probability and high uncertainty, so most likely it could become a low pressure system and move into Bicol region and southern central Luzon this coming weekend. So lots of rain will be expected. So prepare. We will let you know in the coming days if this LPA will intensify or not. But there will be rain, okay, this coming weekend. So that's the latest from the wind and pressure forecast. Let's take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday, tomorrow afternoon. We could expect more thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening, particularly over Visayas and Mindanao. Wednesday afternoon, same situation. and as well as on Thursday. And as you can see here, the monsoon trough is now focused over Visayas. But there are still thunderstorms expected during Thursday afternoon or evening in various sections of the country. So that's the latest for today. And we will keep an eye on that potential LPA that may form to the east of Samar and could pass over Bicol this coming weekend, Saturday or Sunday. So we will keep you updated on that. Again, this is Mike Padua saying have a great day. Stay safe always, and see you again this coming Wednesday.